All right, we are all checked out of the cabin. We're sad, but we are ready for our next adventure. We are going to the Ripley's Aquarium. We're gonna hang out there for a little bit, and then we're gonna head to Margaritaville Compass and see what that brand new hotel is like. So we're very excited. We will see you guys there.
Oh, the boat.
I know.
We'll get on top. Look out there.
You're a funny dude. Who else we got? See Kylie down there. There's Grandma. Yep. That's nice. Thank you, Grandma. See if Kylie's head comes up to the volcano. And there she is. That's cute.
Sit in the table. Kai Kai, do you like it? Go ahead.
I'm gonna get one.
Go right ahead. Say ready, set, go.
They're black and white. They use for camouflage. Whale, what?
She's making her way in. She's blow crawling this time. Slow and low. Penguins are looking at
They
it.
live in the southern hemisphere, so you never see a penguin in the Arctic.
I wonder if they're going to go all the way through.
Just about made it.
I'm impressed that she even went in the tunnel. I didn't think she would.
She made it that far. This penguin's really active.
You're okay, you're okay. Here it comes. Oh, good. Oh, good. Hey, look. Kai Kai. Kai Kai, look. Look over here. The penguins are looking for you.
Boo-boo.
Let me kiss it. Let me kiss it. Is it gonna get you? She's batting it away.
Well, folks, that was our time at the Ripley's Aquarium. We got to see some penguins, see some sharks. We went through the glass tunnel. Kylie was not very receptive to all this. We were hoping she would be like really excited by it, but I think she's just too young yet. Grayson had a great time though, and Sheila had a good time. But either way, we were just trying to kill some time until we checked into our hotel. We're gonna go get some pizza. We'll see you guys there.
All right, it's 1 o'clock, 3 hours before technical check-in, but Lenny is gonna go in and see if they will have mercy and let us come inside.
If they don't, we have other options.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the park. We're gonna go to the park if they won't let us in, but I mean, we could use the pool, but I just don't want to do that for 3 hours. I don't think I could handle Kylie that long down there, so we'll let you know what happens. So they did let us check in early, but our key cards didn't work. So Lenny had to go back downstairs to get new ones that will work. We are hanging out in the hallway, waiting for him to get back. Staying busy. It was very nice that they let us check in early though. They're excited. I don't know if I would eat those off the floor, dear. It's a new hotel, but I don't know if it's that clean.
So immediately after stepping off the elevator, the Margaritaville Compass, we're on the second floor. The hallway is quite impressive. I know this is a new hotel, but I am like overtaken by how nice this actually is. I mean, it looks like, it reminds me of like what a cruise ship would look like or something. I could be wrong. I haven't taken a cruise yet. Shocking.
He's got the key card and we're rolling in the door. All right, we're in. I'm gonna do a quick tour because they're going to trash this room probably within the first 5 minutes. So I'm gonna show it how it looks for kids. All right, so as you walk in, this is the coffee bar. And you open up these doors. You have a little mini fridge. There is no microwave in this room. The microwave is in the dining area, so I like microwave popcorn. Lenny will just have to go downstairs and pop it for me later on tonight. Not a big deal. Nice big vanity sink. And our room has just a shower. I don't know if any of the other rooms have tubs or if they're all showers, but our room has a shower, and means that bath time tonight is gonna be rough because the kids do not like showers, but we'll deal with it. And the bathroom, the toilet is over here. And there's like tons of storage, towels. So fancy. And then back through here is a little table, just 2 chairs, and then there's a little seating area, another little table. What's stuck? There's 2 beds, which the kids have already been jumping in and running back and forth across. They have a good time. They have lots of drawers for your clothes, big TV, nice big closet. And finally out here is the balcony. It's a pretty good size. You got your view of the mountains and some chairs. And that is pretty much it. And we're gonna go downstairs and check out the pool and the little game room in just a minute. But yeah, I think it's very nice. I only paid $125. It was part of the promotion because they just opened this hotel recently, so very reasonable for a Friday night. And I think it's very nice. I'm really excited that we booked this. The kids love it, and I cannot wait to see the pool and the game room downstairs.
All right, this is your indoor splash pad, the water slide, little kids area. That looks like fun, doesn't it? We're just checking it out. Nice little seating area. It's all about nature. Let's go outside and check it out. Then you got garage doors here. It opens up in the summertime. We have a gym at the campus. So for people like Sheila that like to work out constantly, this is nice. The TV in there, all brand new equipment. Sanitary weights, right down the equipment with, can't be beat. All right, so we got an outdoor seating area. There's your little outdoor bar. I wonder if that's open. Let's check that out. Doesn't look like it is, but you can sit out here by the fire pit, relax. I'm surprised they even have that in there. Water, that is. Look at the green. Looks like a putting green. There's Grayson running around. But a nice little bar area. Said it doesn't look like it's open. You can sit out here, relax, watch the TV, watch the ball game. Dude, great place to watch Super Bowl. Wow, they have another fire pit over there. Let's check it out. So I know it's too cold for this anyway, so just be aware that if this area is closed, those doors are locked and your key card will not allow you access to that. It does, however, allow you to access this area right here. Let's go see if that hot tub's open. That should be interesting. Yeah, I know, man. All right, moment of truth. Do we have access? Yeah, Yahtzee. So the hot tub is open.
All right, we are ready to go down to the pool. You guys ready to swim? That one.
Is it?
Yeah, you got it.
Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited. That looks so fun, and we have it all to ourselves for now. Yay! You ready, Kai Kai? Let's get our puddle jumpers on. Ooh, Kai Kai got you. I am gonna be brave and do the slide. I have no idea how the water feels. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm trying to get Grayson to come do it with me. All right, buddy, you doing it? All right, you go. Woo! Woo! There he goes. Oh, that looks fast. Okay, it's not freezing, but it's not as warm as I would like it. Oh my God, here I go. All right, we're going back up. You want me to go? Yeah. Okay. Wait till I get out before you come, okay? it was cold. I told him it's not terrible, but I lied. It's pretty cold. I know it's supposed to be heated, but it's really not heated to where I would like it to be. Are you having fun? There they go. Do it, Grandpa. Go. We're watching. There goes Grayson. And here comes Grandpa. Come on. Keep stalling. That's how it's done. All right, I'm gonna do the baby slide so I can get you to do it. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Woo! We did it. You wanna go down the slide? You're kind of a chicken pie. Just a little bit. What are you complaining about? What? You are so dramatic. Come on, are you hungry? Are you tired? Is that what it is? No. I think you are. Let's go back up to the room. I'm tired of swimming. So Marco's pizza was a hit. We had Big Daddy's pizza for lunch. Kylie didn't really like that, but she did like Marco's pizza. And it was the best value because when they get hungry later, you can just heat up those 3 pieces that are left. And there we go, lunch and dinner, right? So as I suspected, it's a lot busier now that it's later, but it's still not bad. I mean, there's still plenty of room in here. I think it's because the water is still kind of frosty, at least in my opinion. The kids don't seem to care, but it's a little too cold for me. I'm glad Grandpa's tough, he can handle it. They're best friends for like 5 seconds. That is as far as Kylie will go. Grandpa is man in the cannon. Kylie and Grace are just here left. They're doing their own thing.
What are we doing? We're hanging out at the 5 o'clock somewhere bar and grill, right? We're live from the 5 o'clock somewhere bar and grill. So while we got a minute and it's quiet because Kylie's throwing a horrible fit up there at the room, she didn't want to leave the pool. But I did want to tell you that we had a $25 provisional credit that was given to us when we checked in today for the 5 o'clock bar and grill. You can get drinks or food. And Sheila opted to get a fruit bowl and some chips, salsa, and guacamole. That came to about $24. You just charged to the room, and yeah, our credit covered it. So that's pretty nice. So you can get some little snacks, but hopefully we can show you this up there. All right, so this was the food that we got with our little credit. We had $25 provisional credit given to us when we checked into the room. So that's kind of nice. You can get some food, little snacks here.
Bananas.
We
With the
spent every
chips and
penny of
salsa.
it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Bananas.
But I bet that's going to be good. Let's dig in. I almost forgot to mention, one of Sheila's biggest complaints is that they don't have, or some of these rooms do not have microwaves in the room. These do not. However, right at the end of the hall, with the ice machine and the water, they have microwaves right in there. So that's pretty convenient. I mean, it's on the same floor, it's just a few steps away.
No, we're not going outside. We're going to bed in 15 minutes.
I want to
Do your last bit of gymnastics.
She gets it on camera, she falls back, hits her head on the damn line.
I need to get it on camera, though. I
Watch
can say
this,
that I have
guys.
nothing to do with it.
watch this.
We're just going on
I can outcome.
People's elbow! You got 619 her ass. You know.
I did outcome.
Yeah, I thought you were going to Rey Mysterio her.
So that bed is mine and Grandpa's bed. Your all's bed is the one with the pizza sauce, the cookie crumbs,
Oh, great.
the tears from your terrible fit earlier, Kylie. That's your all's bed.
Wait.
Yeah, and like we ever return and they're like, what room do you want? I'll be like, not 204.
And it's like the new 1408.
I know.
You ready to get some breakfast?
Look what
Yeah. Let's go find Grandpa.
I'm
I don't have a free hand. I got all your stuff.
doing.
Let's go get breakfast. All right, it is the next day and we are heading down to breakfast. I'm curious to see how they're gonna behave down there. They've got a lot of energy already, but I'm gonna go downstairs and show you what they have to offer. We've had a great time so far. I'm so glad that we did this. The kids love the pool and the little water park area, and the beds are pretty comfortable. And also they do not have tubs. So just wanna let you know that all the rooms have showers. So if you got little kids that don't like showers, just be prepared for that. We made it work. Grayson had a shower in less than 60 seconds and I had to get in the shower with Kylie. So you just do what you gotta do, but we'll see you downstairs. All right, there is a huge line for the breakfast buffet. I wasn't counting on that, but I should have because it's pretty busy here today. So I've got them in the game room. He's playing some Pac-Man and just waiting for Grandpa to get us a plate of food. We'll probably take it back up to the room. That's cool. I'm really glad they have this little game room because this is how I'm keeping them busy while Lenny fights the buffet line. Everything is all free. You don't have to pay for it. But Kylie is getting antsy, so I'm getting nervous. We may have to go back up to the room. You're going to race back and forth until Grandpa comes back with pancakes. On your mark, get set, go. Run, Kai. He's going to win. Hurry, run. Run. Come on, girl. You can run in boots. Do it. Run. Yes.
So, it's a target. I can teleport to that.
Okay, that's a good idea. All right, they are happily eating right now. Kylie's just eating the muffins. That's just stuff for Grayson basically to snack on when he's done with his buffet of pancakes over there. So I do want to say, if you have little kids, be prepared in the mornings. The line for the buffet is really long. And if you have kids that are antsy like ours, it's going to be rough. So in the end, I wish I had just sent Lenny downstairs to get the plates because that's what we ended up doing. We kind of just went down there for nothing. But learn from our mistakes. Keep the kids upstairs. Send the parents down to get the food. They can take turns, eat in peace. And it'll make things go a lot smoother.
So the breakfast bar is at the Sunrise at Compass. You'll see this area here. They're just about to close up. This is what it looks like. Just to give you an idea, they've got coffee here, and toast, with bread, muffins, English muffins, pastries. I never saw an omelet with cheese. You found potatoes, sausage, biscuits, those are good. Fire roasted salsa, turkey sausage, of course bacon, and pancakes. That was a hit with Grayson. You got your syrup, a little bit of fruit, of course cereal, all your juices, and coffee mugs, all your utensils, everything you might need, sugar, and a nice little dining area, pretty large. So very nice.
Did you guys have a good time on this vacation? Do you think we should come back again? I think Grandpa and Grandma need a vacation by themselves though.
Whoa.
All right, guys, we are all packed up and ready to leave. We've had a great time, but I'm ready for a break. It's been hectic, but fun. Thank you so much for coming with us, and we have our next big adventure planned in May. We are going to Orlando. We are going to stay at Windsor Hills. It's our favorite resort. We booked the same condo we did last time when we were there in November. We're gonna check out Universal, Disney, Volcano Bay. Really looking forward to that trip. And I did reserve this same hotel in June for Grayson's birthday, so we're gonna come back in the summer when the outdoor pool area is open, and we're gonna check out Camp Margaritaville too. So very excited about that. But thank you so much for coming with us. If you like these videos, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. We'll see you next time. Bye.
The Smoky Mountains to the Smoky Hills. We're back home.
Welcome home.
Yeah.